In a quiet village surrounded by hills lived an 8-year-old girl named Lima. She had black hair, big green eyes, a constant smile on her face, and she always wore her favorite yellow shirt with black pants and shoes. Lima loved to explore. She spent her days chasing butterflies, listening to birds, and picking flowers in the sunlit fields near her home. Behind the tall reeds, she discovered a secret, a small, shimmering pond hidden away from everyone. It felt magical, like it was waiting just for her. Every day after school, Lima would sit by the pond, legs crossed, gazing into the sparkling water, wondering if it held any secrets. One afternoon, as the sun began to dip, she saw a flicker of light dance above the pond. It wasn't a firefly, it was something else. Out of the light emerged a tiny fairy. She had glowing wings, a dress made of flower petals, and she was no bigger than Lima's thumb. The fairy smiled and said, "Hello, Lima. I'm Mira. I've seen your kind heart. Will you be my friend?" Lima beamed with joy and nodded. From that day on, Lima and Mira became best friends. They laughed, ran through the fields, and shared magical adventures together. Mira taught Lima how to listen to the trees, speak with butterflies, and feel the heartbeat of nature. Everything around them sparkled with wonder. Lima brought Mira tiny gifts, berries, honey drops, and wildflowers placed carefully on leaves. In return, Mira gifted her stories of magic and light. One golden evening, they made a promise to always protect each other's worlds. Lima, the world of people; Mira, the world of magic. Even as Lima grew older, she never forgot. She still visited the pond, where the water shimmered with memories, and if you listen closely, you might still hear laughter and the flutter of tiny wings.